Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining this evening. My name is Dvir Zanua. I am from Bli Hackathons, the company organizing this coronavirus challenge box hackathon. This is our second webinar. As I mentioned yesterday, we're going to have webinars daily. So you can ask questions, get updates, and talk with the mentors. We will also have an summary of the webinar uploaded every day to the Discord channel, the announcement Discord channel, and also a video recording. The idea is that you will be able to speak with a different mentor every day and ask your questions. Unfortunately, the mentor who was supposed to speak this evening could not make it at the last moment. As you know, our mentors are mostly doctors, so their availability during this time is limited. So this evening's webinar will be shorter than usual. I just want to talk to you about a few updates. So the first update is that we've opened up the Showi platform for your use. The Showi platform is where you can register your team once you have selected and for your teammates and formed a team. And this is also where you will be able to submit your project when it is finished. I will do a screen share to show you how this works. So you start on the Discord platform, and on the Discord platform, you send a message to BleeBot with the text access code. Just a second, I'll open the screen share. All right. So BleeBot, you are able to see it here. You go to the bot, you type access code, and the bot will give you the link to the challenge that you've picked. I guess it doesn't work for me because I'm an admin, but for you guys, it should be working. If it doesn't, we'll fix whatever it takes. But anyway, it will provide you with a link to log into the Showi platform. The Showi platform will open on your web browser, and that's the way it looks. All right, so it will take you to a login. So you choose, you pick which platform you want to sign in with. It's easiest to sign in with something that you've already got a user in. So let's say we pick this one. Notice that we have different links for different challenges. So when you pick the challenge on the Discord platform, when you are talking with the bot, you will get the appropriate link for the challenge page on the Showi platform. All right, so when you join, first you pick your role. So let's say business. And then you are on the platform. When you're on the platform, we just open it up, so there's not much going on here yet. But when you're on the platform, you're able to see other teams that have been formed on the platform, and you are also able to create your own team. When you click here under members, you're able to see other people who have already registered to the Showi platform themselves. You pick your team members, and then your team is submitted to the system. Later on in the competition, you will be able to see feedback from mentors and from juries, and also to submit your project through this platform. So ongoingly, there's nothing much for you to do on the Showi platform. You have to go on. You have to go on it when you form your team and register with your team on the platform. And then when it's time to submit your project, you log in again and you submit your project. So all that happens on the Showi platform. And as I said, the BleeBot should be providing the link for you. We will also have the links for you in one of the announcement channels. I also want to let you know that we will be adding additional challenges tomorrow. We will have one or two new challenges tomorrow already. By the end of the week, hopefully there will be 3 more challenges. If you have any recommendation about a new challenge, if you know anyone that could be a mentor or anything that could be of value to this hackathon, please let us know. Again, before I give you a little time for questions, I say this is the first time we're doing an online hackathon. So if you have any questions, facing any problems, if you have any suggestions, please talk to us. Let us know. We can make corrections as we go so that we can improve the experience ongoingly and provide better solutions for the community as a whole using the online platforms. All right, so now I'm ready to take your questions. I am not one of the mentors, so I will not be able to answer your professional questions regarding challenge solutions. But if you have any other questions, suggestions, or problems, please write them in the chat and I will do the best as I can to answer them right now. I will also say while you're typing away your questions that yesterday we had messages from some people who had brilliant ideas, but were not part of the scope of the hackathon. Their idea was about more like scientific or medical equipment that people cannot actually make at home and couldn't be a part of the hackathon. So we actually connected them with people that can help them in the Ministry of Health or in venture capital funds, people that can actually make things happen. So things are already happening as a result of this hackathon, even not as a project that a team has been working on to meet one of the challenges. It's really exciting for us. We love it. Questions. Yeah, Jonathan is asking in what form we need to submit our solutions. So we are going to provide you with a format. The format will be published tomorrow, sometime in the afternoon. The format will be a list of questions. We will give it to you in a presentation form. So the questions will be a kind of a minimal requirement for you to submit. So you will have to answer several questions that describe your solution and how it meets the problem and how it meets the criteria for a successful solution. And anything else that you could add to that submission that will help prove or show the judges that your solution is an effective one will only be to your benefit. So if you're planning any kind of device, if you can construct it already at home, share photos, 3D sketches, if you can show supporting research to support your solution, if you have any experts backing you up, anything that you can add to this minimal submission will be a great addition. On the Showi platform, you're able to submit any type of file or text. So we're open to anything. There's no limit. Jonathan, does that answer your question? And we're also open for additional questions. I enjoy looking at myself on the screen, so you're welcome to take as long as you want. I will just keep staring at myself. Okay, I see we have no more questions today. Oh, how to form a group? That's a good question from Iran P. So the first step to form a group is, of course, to find teammates. This is why we have the Discord platform set up for you. Using the Discord platform, you can see other people who registered to the hackathon, introduce yourself and your idea, and ask for teammates. So when you log onto the Discord platform, I'll just show it very quickly because we've already been over it yesterday and there's a recording of yesterday. You go to the team building channel, you introduce yourself. You can introduce your own background. You can say what type of people you're looking for. You can also share the type of idea or the type of project you want to work on. And then you can communicate with other people. As it says so here, you can also write to people in private. So here on the right hand of the screen, you can see people who are online right now, who have registered to the different challenges, Corona Guard, Corona Catcher, and also the new challenges that we will add. When you click on anyone's name, you can see the type of skill that they've put in. So Bill Jobs is a maker, or Ego is a coder. And then you can type here, yeah, that's you, Bill. So you can type in a private message. Let's do it with Bill. Hi, Bill. Let's work together. That brings you to the private conversation window with that user. Once you're chatting on private, you can also set up an audio call or a video call. You can do screen share. So this really gives you all the tools that you need in order to form a group. You can also turn this into a group call. Once you guys are set up, you can use this button, add more people to the chat, and you can use the Discord platform. You can use the Discord platform for really all your communication needs in regards to this hackathon. It's really, really a powerful platform, and we've also upgraded it to Nitro, so you have additional features and emojis and whatever. So that's the way the Discord works, and that's how you form a team. Once your team is formed, you have all your teammates register on the Showi platform, and you form a team the way I showed you in the beginning of this webinar. All right. Jonathan is asking, is it okay that my idea has an aimed crowd, people with the disease? Well, we currently have two challenges up, and the two challenges have to do with preventing infection at home if you have another person sick. We're going to add additional challenges which are not medical in nature. If you have a project that does not meet one of the existing challenges or the challenges that we will add, please let us know. We can create a challenge around it. I hope that answers your question, because I'm not 100% sure that I understand it. So feel free to elaborate. Also, if you want to go on voice, just let me know and I will unmute you. Kiva is asking, where can I find mentors to help me with my project? So as I said, we have mentors who are going to be coming on the webinars every day to answer your questions. We will also help you to schedule one-on-one meetings with the mentors via the Discord platform. Until we have the meeting scheduling set up, you can ask your question in the channel relating to your challenge, and we will ask the question from the mentors and get back to you with an answer. We can also help you schedule a call with one of the mentors until we have everything set up. So the answer to your question about how you can get mentors to help you, in the next few days, we will help you to schedule. You could schedule automatically. Otherwise, there's a webinar every day, or you can ask us to deliver the question to your mentor and help you get an answer. Kiva is asking, what does it mean to schedule automatically? Let me explain. On the Discord platform, we will open up a mentors channel. And in the mentors channel, you will be able to ask with free text what mentors are available. It will bring up a list of mentors and their expertise. You will choose the mentor that you want to talk to. It will give you a list of available times the mentor has. You pick the time that is comfortable for you, and it scheduled a meeting in both your calendars. So that's what it means to schedule automatically. Until we have that set up, we can help you schedule a call with the mentors manually. I'll give you another moment. Oh. So Akiva is further asking, the way I put together a team is by posting my idea and then waiting for interested parties to join me. So yeah, you can do that like this. So you can post your ideas and wait for people to talk to you. However, in the Find Teammates channel, we already have quite a few people who've introduced themselves. So in addition to introducing yourself and your idea, you can go to the team building channel and scroll up and see who are some other people who have introduced themselves. And then you can text them. So let's say that you find Bill Jobs interesting. We're on your case today, Bill Jobs. You click his name and you type in a message, and then you can chat with him. Also, if you're looking for a specific type of skill and no one has written yet, you can message generally and say, hey, I'm looking for coders, or you can go to the people who are already on the system, the challenge which interests you, and you can go name by name and see their skills. So we have a coder and a maker and other. Well, you'll have to ask him what that means. But first, wait for him to finish playing Might and Magic Heroes 7. Hope that answers your question. Please let me know if it doesn't. Yeah. All right. So as I said, this is a community effort, which means we are open to hearing from you things which are currently outside of the scope of the hackathon as we described it. So if you have any questions or suggestions, or if you have an idea for a project that doesn't specifically meet one of the challenges, talk to us, let us know. And second, that means that the success of the hackathon greatly depends on your sharing it with your friends and with your communities. The more you share, the more participants we have on board. We have about 120 people who registered to participate in this hackathon so far, and we have more and more coming every day. This webinar doesn't have that many participants, and so we're working on getting everyone to engage and to participate. But if you can bring your communities and your friends on board and help us get them on board, that would be really, really helpful. As I said, this is a new turf for us. So your cooperation would really be appreciated. All right, so thank you all for being here today. We will have another webinar tomorrow, as we do every day. We will have a mentor, hopefully, if she doesn't get caught in anything else at the last moment. So we will have a mentor tomorrow to answer your questions. Until then, see you on Discord. Okay, so Akiva is asking, I just said goodbye, but let's answer your question. So Akiva is asking, who came up with the challenges currently online to help me find more challenges I'm interested in, and how can I join multiple challenges? No worries, he's apologizing. Okay, so the challenges that we currently have online, we designed them using with the help of a team of doctors that came up with the idea for the need. So to find more challenges that you're interested in, as I said, we will be adding more challenges along the way. There's no problem to join multiple challenges. It's something that we need maybe to allow in the BleeBot. I think currently it only allows you to pick one, but in principle, there's no problem to join more than one challenge. So Akiva is asking if he can get in touch with his mentors. Yes, we can set it up. Please text us on Discord in one of the channels, and we will make sure to get you connected with one of these mentors. The best way to do it would be to write Shachar Altshuler or Noah Gur Golan. Both of them would love to help you get in touch with them. All right. Thank you everyone for being with us today. A recording of this webinar will go on Discord in a couple of hours alongside a written summary of the things we've discussed here. See you in the next webinar and see you on Discord. Bye-bye.